Which animal is the ultimate high jumper in the animal kingdom? Here's a fun trivia challenge to test your knowledge. Options include A. Frog, B. Kangaroo, C. Flea, D. Grasshopper. Think you know the answer? Get ready to put your animal trivia skills to the test. Comment your answer below. Is it A, B, C, or D? And don't even think about sneaking a peek on Google or asking ChatGPT for help. Cheating won't get you anywhere. Now drum roll, please. The correct answer is C, flea. These tiny insects can jump up to 350 times their body length, making them the true champions of the high jump. Did you get it right? Follow us for more fun trivia quizzes.